Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Subaru Outback tail light using an easy method. You can complete this task in about 15 to 20 minutes with just a few common tools. This simple DIY project will save you a trip to the mechanic and some money. Let's get started by gathering everything you need for a smooth and efficient replacement process. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right tools. You'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your Subaru Outback's tail light. It's also a good idea to have a small flathead screwdriver handy, just in case. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves throughout the entire procedure. Now, let's remove the old tail light. First, open your Subaru Outback's rear hatch to gain full access to the tail light assembly. You will see two Phillips head screws on the inside edge of the assembly. Carefully unscrew both of these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle, to detach it. With the assembly removed, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release the old, faulty bulb. Carefully insert your new replacement bulb into the socket, then twist it clockwise to secure it firmly. Align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle. Gently push it straight into place, then reinsert and tighten the two Phillips head screws to complete the installation. Test your new light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.